Winter weather means bigger clothes and less space in our closets. Plus, after the holidays, we always have more things. So here on ways to manage and organize everything perfectly and avoid the worst clutter of the long Canadian winter is Melissa Pateras with 3 amazing space-saving hacks. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I cannot wait to learn more. This is all about closet space. And your first trick involves a shower ring. How does it work? How does it help?
It's a simple, inexpensive way to use the space that you already have that you're perhaps not using. You just use some shower hooks, and you can hang tank tops, ties. I've got scarves on here, hats.
The scarf hack is great.
They're tricky to store because you need baskets, and you know, if you don't have a lot of drawers or shelves, this is great. Plus, you could also just add another hanger.
And double it up.
And you can double up your space this way, you can hang down that way. But I mean, you could put 15 to 20 tank tops on one hanger and use all of this space that otherwise is wasted.
I love this for many closets in our house, kids' closets, front closet, you name it. The next year, I mean, this is also with the shower theme, you're gonna use a shower caddy to save some space. Where do we put this?
So this is a great way, it's renter friendly. If you've got a closet door that has nothing on the backside, you can use a shower caddy to store all kinds of stuff. But again, if you don't have shelves or drawers, you can pretty much hang anything.
This
you can
is smart.
hang keys. I've got a phone, I've got glasses, some electronics.
Kind of like a catch-all.
Yeah, just if you're really tight for space.
This is really smart.
You can use a temporary hook, put it on the back of the door, and you can basically put anything. Belts are really tricky to store.
Well, they take up tons of drawer space.
They do. And if you're limited in that way, this is a really inexpensive way to make a catch-all.
Plus, this is stuff that you would use on the regular, so it's easy grab and go. I love this. Okay, the last one is a shoe organizer hack. How does that work? I've seen this a few ways. I want to see how you're going to do it.
Yeah, so I've got one that goes into your closet so that you can use all of your vertical space. But again, you can get these for the back of the closet door as well. And you can put your swimwear, t-shirts, sweaters. I've got slippers in there. I've got hats and mitts. But again, you're using all of your vertical space for things that you might not want to hang up, that you might want to fold or you know, but if you're limited in your shelves and your drawers, this is perfect.
This is great. And yours has pockets on the side, which is also amazing.
Again, you can put anything in there and you can get them wider. And again, you can hang them on the back of your door, but it's about utilizing space that you're just wasting, you're not using. So it's inexpensive and it's easy. And after Christmas, of course, we have way more stuff.
We have way more stuff. And I can already think of a few closets that I'm going to try the shower ring hack on. Melissa, we always learn so much when you're here. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
If you liked that video, make sure to subscribe to the Your Morning YouTube feed where you can find all kinds of new content posted every weekday morning.